You have to look at broadcast and go, every single frame counts. We can't have a single frame drop, because if we drop a frame, then we're only as good as our last project, and that's a terrible outcome for us. Our clients are big broadcasters around the globe. There's no margin for error. I'm Mark Seeger, SVP of Technology for the NEP Group. We work in 3 distinct verticals. One of them is media services, where the broadcast division sits in. One of them is the live events business, so think big screens, big LED walls, concerts, that sort of stuff, and virtual studios. So we're one of those companies that most people don't hear about, but we're at Super Bowls and cricket events or big worldwide events. We're normally there with our cameras, our technology, and our people. But we're a business-to-business function, so we're hidden behind the logo on the side of the camera usually. NEP has 5,000 staff. Most of those staff are technical staff. We're very much a technology-driven business. We're seeing a huge take-up in terms of networking, scalability, all those sort of things that come with it. The big thing for us is to try and keep consistency and equipment consistency and staff training. If you look at what we deliver to our clients, they ultimately don't care how we deliver it, but they want to make sure that we deliver it well and we deliver it every single time, because there's just no margin for error in this stuff. If you look at what we're doing at the moment, we deliver a remote production, a centralized production where we put production people in one place and we have cameras and lenses in another place across the wide area network, because we're doing that basically every day. We look at this as an entire platform, an entire ecosystem. So it's not just networking the devices that are connected to the network or the control system that's basically trying to provision it, manage it, and orchestrate it. To do those things well, you basically need to have oversight of the entire system. We consider the control system itself, we consider a platform. In fact, we've got a platform team, we've now got a product manager that looks after the platform. We're doing this across the globe. You're looking at big multicast traffic, managing the network. Everything's based on where you're going to have bandwidth in the future. And this is television, right? So we look at where we have bandwidth today, where we're going in the future. And if you look at NEP as a business, we have data centers, either our own data centers or we're in other people's data centers in Dallas, Sydney, Melbourne, London. What we holistically want to do is use hardware wherever it happens to be. And for that, you're going to be completely reliant on the wide area network and the infrastructure you put underneath. But you can't do that unless you can manage the network and you have control of the network and you have the right tools to be able to do that well. We're looking at video over IP and the move to multicast and big multicast traffic. In 2016, we were talking about 12 venues in Australia. The key venues we went to, and through 16 to 17 to 18, that grew to 29, 30, 40 venues, and now we're at 59. We've seen a move now from HD to 4K. That's something that just basically happened overnight. We were ready for that because we've got the right network, the right tools built out already. A good partner, of course, in Cisco to make it all happen for us. The growth of that has been exponential. The speed of growth, the take-up of the networking and the bandwidth required.